Well, welcome back to Chinneron. Today I'm going to be working on a Husqvarna model 322L, and this was dropped off to me. They had taken this someplace to have some work done to it, either on the string trimmer head or the handle. I'm not exactly sure, didn't really get the story. But what's wrong with it now is the throttle is kind of stuck on, so it won't return. So there's obviously some sort of a spring problem going on in that. The only observation that I have made is there's something going on in here. It looks like there's like a peg or something that's supposed to be back this way. I don't know if that's a safety valve or a safety switch or whatever the case may be. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so the first thing what we need to do is we need to remove the handle. And you're going to need a T25 to do that. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of them. So let's go ahead and remove those. Alright, let's go ahead and remove that cover carefully and see what we get going on. Okay, that wasn't too bad now that I see what's happening. The reason why that trigger was staying closed is whomever put this back together, they didn't get the cable in properly. They just kind of just set it there. That actually sets in a little slot there, and you have to get that in there. And more importantly, the shutoff switch, the wire, that actually has its own little trough to put into as well, and that has to be put in there. So you know, you got to make sure that you get that stuff where it needs to go, or you're going to have problems. It's really tight fit. And this little nub that I thought might have been some sort of a safety switch or a valve, that's for the anti-vibration. All that does is that just sits up inside the handle. So all I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go ahead and put this all back together, and we should be all set to go. Okay, well there it is. Throttle's working fine now. So I'm not exactly sure why they were in that handle, but hopefully it's going to work fine. If it doesn't, they'll bring it back and then we'll make another video of it. So, well, I hope this helps you with your 322L Husqvarna, and stay tuned for the next one.